Hello everybody, it's the Ceiling Fan Guy 1000 here. Today I have this TAT ceiling fan. I used to think it was a Saga before. I still have the video, but I'm gonna delete it because it didn't turn out very good. So anyway, got this fan at the Habitat Restore along with the Gulf Coast Meridian in the other video. And this is a vintage fan. Well, it is a vintage fan. So, sorry I haven't been doing something like this in a while. I haven't been making a video I haven't been making a video in a long time, like one of the fans in my collection. So sorry about that. What I've been doing I've been going around looking at ceiling fans around public places, but let's just spin the fan. The fastest I could spin it. Sorry about that. Why? Sorry about that again. This fan is from the late 70s to the early 80s. I thought it was a Saga Crown Colony before, but it turned out it was a TAT because I've seen pictures. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.